Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a small tutorial. Well, I say small, but it's just a tutorial. I finished what I had to do. I was watching a movie and I was like, you know what? How about I just film a tutorial for you guys, a shadow tutorial using Too Faced. It says best year ever 2018. This one was given by my friend April. Thank you, April. She gave this to me and just look at those pretty colors. Like, I'm going to be using spiked cider, sleigh bells, and plum pudding. So let's get right into it. So I just went ahead and just finished my eyebrows really quickly, and I use Morphe's. They don't carry this anymore, you guys. I'm so sorry. But I use Morphe's brow palette, which I hope they do. And to sculpt them and clean them up, I used Makeup Forever's Ultra HD Stick Foundation. This used to be my color, long story short. It isn't anymore. So that's what I used, and I used a flat Morphe brush, which is this one right here. And I used this brush to kind of like clean up my, like the whole area around the eyebrow after I'm done sculpting it, just because at the time I have super long nails and I really couldn't clean my area without a brush. So now, even though I don't have nails on, I use this really pretty brush. It's Morphe M173. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with MAC Paint Pot in a soft ochre. And guys, I'm gonna need a new one because I'm almost finishing it. And then going back with Morphe's 173 brush, I just kind of dip it in there. Like I said, I used to use my finger, but it's been a very long time. So I went ahead and just finished that because you guys got the idea. It's just shadow base and you put it on and that's that. Now I'm going to go in with Too Faced, this palette right here that I showed at the beginning of the video. And like I said, I'm going to use this color first as a transition, and then these two pink and burgundy looking beautiful shadows. And this brush, you guys, it is a Sigma brush and it's used completely, like a lot. E35, like you can't even see the label or the brand name or anything, or not even the number or the letter, nothing. I use this brush so much. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with Morphe's M506 brush, and it's super tiny, super little, and going in with plum pudding and applying that up on the crease. It's more of a shimmery look. Well, the shadow anyways. And use this. Next, I'm going to go in with Sigma's White Shader E59 brush, and the shadow I'm going to use is Sleigh Bells, and apply that all over my lid. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this color. Okay, so I am done with my shadows, and as for now, I'm done using this. I'll probably go back just to put a little bit under my lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Eyeliner. It's been forever since I've actually worn liquid eyeliner. I usually do cream. And this one, you guys, I gotta say, it's the most amazing eyeliner ever. Okay, you guys, so my lashes are on and my eyeliner is also on because it was a mission to put them on, my lashes and the eyeliner. So they're already on. If you would like me to do a tutorial just on my lashes or my eyeliner, I would be happy to do it. So moving on to the next thing. Now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with two different foundations because I do mix these two. The Inflammable Total Cover L'Oreal, it's a 24-hour foundation. I'm in the, well, I wouldn't say I'm in the shade 308. It's a sun beige. I'm in between shades. I'm neither a 308 or a 309. I'm not definitely a 307 because it's too light, or a 310 because it's too dark. So I go in with Milani, this one, and Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in 06 Sand Beige, yes. So these are the two I'm going to mix. And just kind of blending that out. Okay, so now that my foundation is all ready and set to go, I'm going to go in with Milani's Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer. And to set my concealer, I'm going to go in Laura Mercier's setting powder, translucent setting powder. It's one of my favorites. This I just bought, so I like it so far. I'm more of a Tarte Shape Tape kind of girl. So let's see how this looks. Because this one I have used, but with my Urban Decay All Nighter. I have not yet used it with the two foundations I mix, so. And to blend it out, I'm going to use e.l.f.'s Buffing Blending Brush. I used to use a beauty blender, but not anymore. And to set it, like I said, I'm going to use Laura Mercier's setting powder, and this is what I use to set my powder. Just kind of dab in there. And tap it all the way. I'm going to go in back with my palette Too Faced, going with the color Spiked Cider. And then the brush I'm going to use is Morphe's E36 brush on my lower lash line. Once I'm done with the eyeshadow under my lash line, I'm going to go with Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. And going in with Sonia Kashuk's, I don't even know what you call this brush, but I use it to contour. I'm going in with Princess Cut. And just kind of put that there. Put it a little bit on my forehead. And then go in with Morphe's R2 brush. And this is the one that I use to kind of blend everything out together. Next, I'm going to go in with Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brighten. Just trying to see that y'all can see. Whoa, that's really pink. All right, that's enough. Now for highlight, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette and using the color Glow Getter. Then going back in with Morphe E36, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced palette using Halo. You guys, I haven't even used this palette. This is the first time using it. For mascara, I'm using Butter London's Double Decker Lashes. And for my lips, I'm going to use Ofra, what is it? Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in, what's the shade? It doesn't even say the shade, but it's a really pretty color. Oh my god, that tickles. And we are done. This is a look that I created. I did not know what I was going to do before filming anyway, so I just decided to kind of randomly pick the colors that I had chosen out of the palette. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching me create this look. Super simple, yet it has a color with kind of a, I don't know what color you would call the lipstick that I wore. I really don't know, but it's a really, really pretty lipstick, you guys. So, but yes, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, you guys. Comment any other looks you guys want me to do. Follow me on Instagram. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking the time out of your day, out of your time to watch my video, click on it, and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, night, evening, if you're on the other side of the world, because right now it's actually dark. So you guys have a good one, and I really hope you enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed creating it. So I'll see you soon. Bye.